Hey, good morning, crypto traders. I have Bitcoin Cash pulled up. This is a chart that one of my subscribers requested I do some technical analysis on. So very quickly, I did that, and this is rather simple, but I want to show you what I've drawn up here. All right, so we're inside of a purple triangle currently. This is us today, and we actually just broke through the top of this purple triangle I think a few hours ago. Yeah, about 2 hours ago, we broke through the top of this triangle and also through the resistance that I have drawn above that. Poked our heads through, and it's actually the first time since May where I started this triangle that we have actually poked our heads through the top of the triangle. All right, so this is mid-May where I started to draw this. This is mid-July. We came back up and hit our heads on the top of this triangle in the beginning of September. Back down, used the bottom as support in the end of September, and now we are traversing alongside the top of the triangle and just poked our heads through it. Now remember, once you see this kind of piercing action through our resistance levels, that's just telling you that the market is ready to break out very soon. Sometimes you have 1, 2, 3 poke throughs before you finally break that resistance or support level, depending on what side you're on. So I imagine what's going to happen here once we do break out is we'll probably come all the way up here, hit our heads on this 200-day moving average, and not make it through immediately. And then we'll come back down and use this red line as support before we traject further into the future. All right, so let's see where I have a final target drawn on this particular trade. All right, so I have drawn, or I have measured the top of this triangle to the bottom and taken that to where I estimate we might break out somewhere around here, and that gives us a target of anywhere from $1,200 to $1,300. Keeps zooming out on me. All right, so this is the area where we're targeting. And so I just wanted to show you that, folks, because very soon we are going to break out of this triangle. And I'll give you another video on this larger blue triangle. That shows you a longer term goal. And I want to show you how amazing this larger blue triangle is real quick, and I'll talk about this more in another video. But we started this all the way back in January of 2018. The bottom of this triangle we used as support for years, never ever broke below that for at least 2.5 years, and then came back up, touched our heads on that. So the longer term goal for Bitcoin Cash is anywhere from $3,600 to $3,700 before you would take profits again. However, that's the longer term goal. For this trade, we're looking at a shorter term goal of $1,200 to $1,300. And I would say that may happen here within 2 to 3 weeks to a couple months. It could take as long as a couple months. But for my Substack subscribers, we will be taking profits along the way. And I will have those specific levels drawn out for you so that you know where to take your 20, 25%, whatever your play strategy is. And you can take that money off the top and capitalize along the way. All right. So I hope that helps. Again, target $1,200 to $1,300. Good luck, traders. Comment below if you have any questions, criticisms, anything else you want to add to this, questions even, and give me a thumbs up or a like if you find this content helpful or useful at all.